Do you struggle with confidence and self-belief when it comes to speaking Spanish? Well, this video is for you. Vamos pues. Now, if you have a goal of becoming conversational or fluent in Spanish, you must have confidence. You must believe in yourself. It's very important. Anything that you do in life, if you do not have the self-belief and the confidence, it's just not going to happen, okay? Alternatively, if you have it, you're going to do way better. And you have to believe that you can get there, because if you don't, you're just wasting your time. But if you think that you can just watch a few apps, click a couple buttons, watch a couple YouTube videos, and chat to a couple Latinas, and all of a sudden you're now Enrique Iglesias, you got another thing coming to you. Lower your expectations, because you ain't doing no work, you're not committed, you're not putting in the work, you're not practicing, you're not doing anything. So you shouldn't have these astronomical sky-high confidence levels. Bring it down a notch. But if you are putting in the work, totally, okay? Totally. And when people say, oh, when I'm drunk, I speak better Spanish, that's because you're less nervous. Not necessarily you're speaking better Spanish, it's because you're not as anxious, you're not as nervous, okay? So again, bring down the level of expectations, okay? That's another thing that hurts your confidence and self-belief, is that you feel like you should be up here, but really it's not your first language. So bring it down, there's no expectations, chill out. It's okay if you mess up a few words, all right? You can become conversational fluent one day, and you should believe that you can do that, because you totally can. So again, self-belief and confidence is paramount. You have to have it. If you don't have it, you're always going to struggle.